This video is going to show you why it is very important to check your PS5 for dust buildup inside the system. I recently came across a few posts on Reddit from users who have actually owned a PS5 since launch, but since then have never took the time to fully open the system or clean it in almost 2 years of ownership. It turns out that some users were completely shocked at what they found after just opening the PS5 side cover. So today I'm going to show you how to not only check but also clean any dust that's built up inside of your PlayStation 5. The first step is to disconnect the console, remove the stand, and lay the PS5 horizontally. If you've never opened the system before, it can be a bit difficult to remove the side plate, but placing your hands in the correct position and given enough force, they should come right off. Turn the system over and repeat the process. Now once the plates are removed, I actually recommend wiping down the inside of both covers using a microfiber towel. And against Sony's recommendations, I do use a gentle electronic cleaning spray to remove any dust that could get left over. But once complete, the next place you absolutely need to check are the PS5 side vents and dust catchers. These areas in particular are especially prone to early signs of dust buildup, but they can be cleaned very easy with the use of an air duster and a microfiber towel. Now it is recommended to use a vacuum hose attachment to properly clean the dust catchers, so I wouldn't use an air duster for this specific area because you risk pushing the dust right back into the PS5 and out of reach. But lastly, the most challenging part is going to be the cooling fan itself. You will need a Torx T8 screwdriver to take the screws out, and I would recommend using a pair of tong tweezers to disconnect the fan from the terminal. A quick tip I would advise is keeping track of which screws go where because they are various different lengths and it can get confusing when doing this for the first time. But once the fan is removed, you can now use the air duster to remove any debris that's built up between the fan's blades. Also, give the cooling fan housing a good wipe down before reinstalling the fan and make sure that everything is reconnected and properly screwed down before reattaching the console covers. And that's it. Now you know how to easily clean your PS5 for the very first time. If you do these steps at least every 6 months, your PlayStation 5 will stay running in brand new condition. Make sure to leave a like rating if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe.